easy, no-cook snacks offer convenience and require minimal preparation time. These snacks are ideal for quick and healthy eating. These ingredients will be used to create simple and delicious snacks. Gather the necessary ingredients: bananas, peanut butter, and optional toppings. Slice the banana into evenly sized rounds. Spread peanut butter on top of each banana slice. Add desired toppings such as granola or chocolate chips to the peanut butter. Begin by slicing a banana into bite-sized pieces. Spread a small amount of peanut butter on top of each banana slice. Optionally, sprinkle toppings like chia seeds or chopped nuts. The process is quick and requires minimal effort. Arrange the finished peanut butter banana bites attractively on a plate for serving. Yogurt parfait: combine yogurt, berries, and granola for a nutritious snack. Yogurt, whether Greek or regular, provides protein and probiotics for gut health. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants and vitamins. Granola adds fiber and carbohydrates for sustained energy and improved digestion. Start by layering yogurt as the base in a glass or bowl. Add a layer of fresh berries on top of the yogurt. Sprinkle a layer of granola over the berries for added texture. Repeat the layers to create a visually appealing and customizable parfait. The yogurt parfait is complete, showcasing its appealing freshness. It presents a visually attractive and healthy snack option. Consider adding a drizzle of honey for enhanced sweetness. Alternatively, incorporate nuts for added texture and nutritional value. The base ingredient is bread, with whole wheat or sourdough being popular choices. Ripe avocado is essential, providing the creamy texture and healthy fats. Salt and pepper are needed to enhance the avocado's natural flavor. Optional toppings include red pepper flakes for heat or everything bagel seasoning for added flavor. Begin by selecting ripe avocados for optimal flavor and texture. A ripe avocado will yield slightly to gentle pressure. Carefully slice the avocado lengthwise around the pit. Twist the two halves to separate them. Remove the pit by gently tapping it with a knife and twisting or using a spoon. Mash the avocado to the desired consistency for use in various recipes. Begin by toasting the bread slices to your preferred level of crispness. Mash the avocado until it reaches a smooth, spreadable consistency. Evenly spread the mashed avocado over the toasted bread. Season with salt, pepper, and any desired toppings for enhanced flavor. The final step is presenting the completed avocado toast. Emphasize the dish's simplicity and the presence of healthy fats. Avocado toast offers a quick and nutritious snack option. Consider pairing it with a side of fresh fruit. A hard-boiled egg can also complement the toast. These additions create a more complete and balanced snack. Gather the ingredients for a hummus and veggies snack. Include hummus, either store-bought or homemade. Prepare an assortment of fresh vegetables such as carrots, cucumbers, bell peppers, and celery. Offer pita bread or crackers as an accompaniment for dipping. Arrange the hummus and vegetables attractively for a healthy snack. Begin by thoroughly washing the vegetables to remove any dirt or residue. Select a variety of colorful vegetables to enhance the snack's visual appeal and nutritional value. Carefully slice the washed vegetables into bite-sized pieces for easy consumption. Consider different textures to create a more interesting and satisfying snacking experience. Hummus and vegetables create a nutritious and appealing snack option. The snack is presented attractively on a plate or in a portable container. This highlights the snack's convenience for on-the-go consumption. The focus is on the snack's portability and nutritional benefits. Gather a selection of cheeses such as cheddar, mozzarella, and brie. Choose a variety of crackers to complement the cheese flavors. Consider adding grapes or olives as optional accompaniments. Arrange the cheeses, crackers, and accompaniments on a serving platter. Ensure the ingredients are visually appealing and easily accessible for snacking. Arrange cheese and crackers on a platter to create an appealing visual presentation. Consider the color and texture of the cheeses when arranging them. Pair different cheeses with complementary crackers to enhance flavor. Soft cheeses pair well with mild crackers. Hard cheeses can be paired with more robust, flavorful crackers. A cheese and cracker platter is a versatile snack option. It is suitable for a variety of occasions, from casual gatherings to more formal events. The platter offers a range of flavors and textures. Consider the occasion when selecting cheeses and crackers. Pairing the platter with wine can enhance the tasting experience. Sparkling water is a refreshing, non-alcoholic alternative. This guide presents a variety of easy, no-cook snack options for quick preparation. Viewers are encouraged to explore different ingredients and recipe variations. Experimentation can lead to personalized and satisfying snack creations. Making snacks at home offers convenience and control over ingredients. Homemade snacks can be tailored to meet specific dietary needs and preferences. Preparing snacks at home promotes health benefits by avoiding processed ingredients and additives.